Yeah, so in this video we'll be editing the picture we took outside on the background at the backyard. So I'll tap the plus sign, I go to my gallery so I can find that picture. Yeah, I have it somewhere around here. Let me edit the flat lay. So go to tools, I crop off what I do not want. Bring it down. I think it's okay like this. Yep, it's just okay like this. Just looking at it, I wish I had shifted the balls to each other. I'm thinking it would have looked better, but notwithstanding, I believe we will still have a beautiful picture even at that. So I think this is okay. So let's see. Yeah, this looks okay. So I go to tools, tune image, work on the brightness. Okay, contrast. Really don't have so much to do with contrast. Then saturation. I'll leave it at 50. Ambience. So depending on what you want to achieve and how you want your picture to look like. Let me leave it at 80. Highlights. I think it's okay like this. Shadows, no, I don't think I'll be using the shadow, but just depending on what you want to achieve. But I don't think I'll be using shadows here, so I'll just leave this out. Warmth. So like I was explaining, I told you warmth adds a little bit to the blue, makes it bluish when you reduce it, and makes it orangish kind of when you increase it. So yeah, I'll reduce warmth a bit. I think 10 is okay by me. So just depending on what you want to achieve, just for you to have beautiful pictures. So that is that with that, and then I click the tick sign, and I go back to tools, go to my details. So for structure, I think I want to add structure. 25 is okay. Then my sharpening, I'll sharpen it like I think 20, because the picture is sharp on its own. Because when you do too much of some of these things, it gives the pictures grain. It makes the picture grainy. It has noise. So I think this looks okay enough. So then I click the tick button. Which other tool do I want to use? I think that's all basically for this particular picture. That's all I want to do, and then I hit my export and then save the picture. So this is just what I want. Yes, this is it. So that's the editing of that picture we took. Thank you.